It's the last week. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a professional dancer working on board a cruise ship, and it is officially my last week living on land before I get on board, and will be living on the ship for the next 8 months, sailing around the Caribbean and then heading over to Europe next year. So it's super exciting, but this week is going to be super busy with lots to do, lots of prep work, rehearsals, office runs. So I thought it would be fun to take you along and show you how busy this week is going to be before embarking the ship on Saturday. If this sounds like something that you're going to enjoy, then please do stick around for this video. It is going to be quite the journey, and I actually post videos just like this every single Monday, so if you would like to join me in my little corner of the internet, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you can join me every week on my little adventures at sea. Morning. So we all got a little coffee, did a joint order to set the mood and the vibe for the week on this Monday morning. And I didn't know that you can do like a group order on Uber Eats. So like Eve sent the link to her order in our group chat, and then she like created some sort of group order. I don't really know how it works, but then we were all able to go on and order and pay for our own, and then yeah, it all came together. And this is Olha, who's having her breakfast. So yeah, we all got to order our own coffee and pay for our own coffee, and it all came as one big group thing. I don't know if I'm just living in 2012, but I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, happy Monday. Chipotle. Hello and good morning. I am so sorry. After I ate my dinner yesterday, I had a shower and I passed all the way out. I was so tired. I was so tired. So yesterday was a busy day. We had a big rehearsal day. We added somebody into the shows, and then we did 2 runs of the shows in the afternoon, and then yeah, I literally passed away when I got home. Today is our office run. It is our final office run of Tree of Life. Super excited. It's at 4 p.m. and by the sounds of things, I think quite a lot of people are coming, which is really exciting, but I'm scared. But I really love this show. Tree of Life is such an amazing show. I feel like it's, dare I say, my favorite one, I think. I want to go and get my hair cut before that, so I should probably go and do that. I'm really nervous that I'm going to get there and they're going to be really busy and I'm not going to have time to cut it, but I'm just going to wing it and try. I need to down this coffee and then let the adventure begin, baby. Sorry, don't mind me just eating some cornflakes. Well, hello. I did have dinner when I first got home and now I'm hungry again. So, bon appetit. Today was so nice. It was such like the perfect last office run. We were in the big studio. A bunch of other casts arrived yesterday, and so we had loads of our friends get to come, and it was like fully packed, and it was just really sweet, wholesome vibes, and the run went really well. We were all really happy with it. The team were all really happy with it, and we got to share it with our friends, and it was just really, really, it was so lovely and so amazing, and I'm so happy about how it went and grateful to be here and for this to be my job. Like days like this is where you get to like take a step back and be like, wow, this is my job. This is my job. I literally get paid to do this. And it's just making me excited to get on the ship and like be on the stage with the lights and the actual set pieces and the costumes and the audience. Oh, it's just gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. So tomorrow we are back in again, just to sort of recap everything before we then get on the ship this weekend. So yeah, another busy day tomorrow, but I need to go before these get soggy in the bowl. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, I didn't show you rehearsals today because it looks exactly the same as it did yesterday and the day before. But today after the training we did have rehearsals in the afternoon, but we're now sharing our studio, so it is now 3:30 and we are finished for the day. But tomorrow we are doing a review of like basically everything. So I'm going to use a couple of hours now to review material for tomorrow so that I know what I'm doing, so that I'm ready to get on the ship. Right, if you can see the background and you can see that my bedroom looks a mess, show some respect. No, you can't. My bedroom's not a mess. Don't look. But I wanted to show you what I got. It's delivery day and I've ordered some stuff for the ship and for my cabin. And then the weekend before. Recently, I went to Ross and I bought some other stuff for my cabin. So I'm gonna do a proper old-fashioned cabin haul. This is a collapsible kettle, so that if I wanna make some tea or a coffee in my cabin, I can do it without having to go to the mess. Makeup wipes for the shows. My moisturizer. Oh, and then these are some, you can't really tell, but these are some like LED lights for my cabin. And they're remote, like they have a little remote so I can turn them off from my bed. Stunning. My hairspray, one for my room, one for the dressing room. So that's everything from Amazon. And now let me go to Ross. Two really stunning pillows. I'm using one of them right now, which is why there's only one in the packet, because the pillows that they give us on the ship as crew members are like prison pillows. Got this bath mat because I want to have a rug in my room because the floor is laminate, but I use a bath mat because then when I get out of the shower straight away and like my body's still wet, this works. A little mug for my stuff. This duvet set, stunning. I love blue, it's my favorite color. And then also got a matching rug. No, not a rug, blanket, sorry. Stunning. So soft, so cozy. These hangers. Oh, literally forgot the word for this then. These hangers. So this is the stuff I bought so far. I just need to buy a duvet. And then I need to buy like my toiletries and stuff, but I'm going to do that. I'm hoping that we have a day off on Friday, so I'm going to do that on Friday. But right now I need to get in the shower and I need to get ready because it's almost time to go. Oh God. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Once again, I have been MIA. I'm so sorry. Today, we recapped all of the shows like I said we were going to do. So we did a run of everything. And then we had our exit meeting, and that was all that happened at work today. And then I came home and I did my laundry, I had a shower, and now I have got dressed because one of our singers, Lucy, she is hosting a little Halloween party in her room. So I need to paint my little black triangle and get ready to go. Happy Halloween! Wow! The hostess with the mostess. It is 8:30 in the morning. It is my last day on land. I have a million things to do. I haven't started packing. I still need to go to Target. I have so much I need to do. So yeah, it is 8:30 and it is go time. Let's do this.
Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again.
So when I said that yesterday was my last day in the studios, I lied. Because my whole cast, we all have our cast t-shirts on that we ordered, and we're going to take a group photo outside the studios, outside of the rehearsal building, to celebrate the fact that we are getting on the ship tomorrow, which is crazy. And then we have some friends in the Millennium cast who have been here rehearsing with us, and they have their final office run in half an hour. So I'm going to take a little break from packing and editing and trainings and all of that, and watch their final office run. So that would be really nice, and a nice little way to finish off our time here in the studios. So I'm excited.
Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew
So dramatic.
that it would die.
I'm fully packed and I have completed all of my trainings. So now all that's left to do is pre-download some books on my Kindle and some videos and some Netflix on my iPad, and then have a shower and go to sleep, and I am ready for Embark Day tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave this video here so that I can put my head down and get all of that done and get a good night's sleep ready for tomorrow. And then all of my journey to the ship and my embark process will be in my video next week. So if that is something that you would be interested in, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you here on my cruise ship journey with me. If you did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And yeah, let's get on the ship, baby. Say goodbye to these Shrek green walls, because I am about to be on the Celebriry Apex tomorrow. Oh, as always, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you spending this time with me, and I'll see you tomorrow to get on board the ship. Bye.
Oh, ooh.